Welcome back to DeLorean Rental, your number one destination when looking to rent a DeLorean time machine for your next party or event. Quick video today. I saw this come through on the interwebs maybe a week ago or whatnot, and I thought it'd make for a good video since I didn't see a lot posted about it. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title description, there was a DeLorean that was recently crashed. I have that picture here up on the screen for you. So not only was it crashed, this guy, 33 years old from New Jersey, it was his second DUI in 1 week. So he was driving under the influence. Don't do that. And crashed his DeLorean, as you see here. And not only did he crash his DeLorean and arrested for DUI, he was also arrested for narcotics. He had 87 bags in the car of a white powdery substance, which you can read the article and use your imaginations. So as you can see here, the car heavily damaged. The engine, as you know, is in the rear of the car. It's not in the front. This is a frunk or trunk. This could be salvageable. It looks like he hit his head on the windshield there. You know, these are a lot older cars, no airbag. I mean, he went right into that windshield. And I'll let you see a mugshot of him in a minute. He does have some scrapes and stuff on him. I'm not sure that he did hit the windshield, but this would indicate to me that he probably did. You could salvage this, I think. Again, it depends how bad the frame is actually damaged. Both quarter panels, I mean, basically the entire front of the car is going to need to be redone. I've seen DeLoreans in worse shape be fixed. I don't know. What we need to do is I need to call up Mike at DeLorean Midwest, see what he thinks about this. We should have done a joint video, but nonetheless, yeah, this car's in pretty rough shape. The guy did a number on this. Here he is, Luke Randall. I love the title of the article as well. It says Marty McHigh instead of Marty McFly. New Jersey driver crashes his 1980s DeLorean and is busted with 87 bags of the white stuff. So that's him. Busted twice in 1 week for DUI. So he was busted twice while driving under the influence, including while driving a vintage Back to the Future style 1980s DeLorean where he had allegedly stashed 87 baggies of narcotics. That's him. So he does have a contusion on his head. His chin looks scraped up, but for the most part, he looks intact. So maybe he didn't hit the windshield. Looked like he hit the windshield to me. There's the 87 baggies of stuff. And again, the crashed DeLorean. So I hate to see it. Again, I think it's salvageable. It would definitely need some money put into it to get that thing back roadworthy. But just goes to show you, drinking and driving they don't mix. So, you know, with the holidays here, I hope everybody had a great Christmas. You've got New Year's coming up in a day, so everybody out there, please be safe. Please find, if you are going to drink, please find a designated driver. There's so many fatalities per year due to this nonsense, and we don't advocate for that. So wishing everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and here's to an amazing New Year's for everybody. We'll see you on the next episode. Have a great day.